Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be doing a super fast charging test with both the OnePlus 9 Pro and the regular OnePlus 9. I got them both down to 1% as you can see there. I didn't want to let them die down to 0% because I want to be able to see the progress of the battery percentage, how fast it goes up as time goes on. As you can see, I got a timer right here, so we're going to see how long it takes to get from 1% all the way to 100% battery life using the charger that comes in the box, the 65 watt Warp charger, and both of these come with that in the box. They both have 4,500 milliamp batteries, so not really sure if it's going to end up the same or if it's going to be a little bit different. We're just going to have to wait and see. Let me go and get these plugged in so we can start this charging test. All right, so let's do this, plugging in the OnePlus 9 Pro and then going over to the OnePlus 9 and starting the timer now, and they are off. Starting at 1% again, let's see how long it takes to get to 100%. And I'll go ahead and throw up a time lapse. As you can see, the cable's kind of pulling the phone over to the left. They're kind of having a hard time reaching to where I have both of these devices at, but trying to make it work as best as possible. Hopefully it'll stay there. So again, this just went up to 2% already. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a time lapse and get this going. Okay, hold up. I am tripping out right now. We're at 6 minutes and 30 seconds and already at 32% battery life on both of them. You can literally charge your phone for only about 6 minutes and get yourself over 30% battery life. So say your phone's dying, around 6 p.m., 7 p.m., somewhere around there, and you want to make it later into the night, boom, just throw it on the charger for about 6 minutes, go use the restroom, go get something in the kitchen, whatever. You're gonna have yourself over 30% battery life to get you through the rest of that night. I'm sorry, but I am tripping out right now, going on 7 minutes, up to 34% battery life. These speeds are crazy fast. Amazing. Good job, OnePlus, good job. But we gotta keep this going, so let's see how long it takes to get to 100, starting that time lapse again. All right, so we are now at the halfway mark on both of these. That is insane, crazy fast. 13 minutes and 40 seconds, 51% battery life, 50% battery life. The OnePlus 9 Pro is just a little bit ahead of the OnePlus 9, but I think that's because I plugged this one in first, if I remember correctly. But halfway there in under 15 minutes. That is crazy fast. So really curious if it's gonna take about maybe 26, 27 minutes to get fully charged. I know once you get up into that 90% for most devices, sometimes it starts to slow down when you get closer to that 100% battery life, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. I don't know, but at 14 minutes, 52% battery life, this is crazy. All right, so we are 3/4 of the way there. 75% battery life for the OnePlus 9 Pro, 76% battery life, 74% battery life. Just switched to 75% battery life on the OnePlus 9. Now at 24 minutes, so still under 30 minutes. We're getting 75% battery life on a single charge in just that amount of time. Crazy. I've been standing here the whole time, literally watching this thing for the full 24 minutes. So y'all better make sure you subscribe just for me standing here this entire time watching this. Making sure everything's going good and smooth. Up to 77% battery life. Crazy fast. So again, now we're a little over 3/4 of the way. Let's go ahead and keep it going. Almost at 100% battery life. there it is, 100% on the OnePlus 9 Pro. The timer's still going at 35 minutes because the OnePlus 9 at 99% hasn't quite hit 100%, but 35 minutes it took for the OnePlus 9 Pro to hit 100% battery life. Crazy, crazy, crazy fast. Just waiting for the OnePlus 9. I'm sure it's gonna happen right now before we hit 36 minutes because it's pretty much been on par with the OnePlus 9 Pro. Like I said, I'm gonna use the excuse that I plugged it in just a little bit later than the OnePlus 9 Pro. And I'm sure both of these would have charged up a lot faster if I were to have had the phone powered completely off. It probably would have charged a little bit faster, but I mean, who charges their phone once it's completely dead? Who turns their phone off to charge it? I know I don't, and the average person probably doesn't. There we go, 100% on the OnePlus 9, still at about 35 minutes, almost 36 minutes. I'll go ahead and stop it there. So there it is, the super fast charging test with the 65-watt fast charger for both the OnePlus 9 Pro and the regular OnePlus 9, both running with 4,500 milliamp batteries. Crazy impressive. So if you need a quick charge up, if your phone's practically dead, maybe you need to go somewhere and you think you're not gonna have enough time to charge your phone to get you, through whatever time it is that you're gonna be gone, look at that. If you need to take a shower or something, you can take a 35-minute shower. Your phone will be charged up to 100% no matter which one you get here. So y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Are you impressed with the charging speeds of both of these devices here with the 65-watt fast charger? Next, I'll be doing a test with this bad boy right here, the 50-watt fast wireless charger. So even with this wireless charger right here, these phones should be able to charge faster than other devices that charge connected to a wire. So can't wait to do this test right here. Make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned for that and you don't miss out on that video. But y'all let me know what you think about this charging test. What do you think about the speeds? If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.